how to verify Google Business Profile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. No more ways to verify the Google Business account. What to do when this problem occurs? First of all, go to your new tab, then select the business that you're trying to open. As you can see, I'm facing the same problem right now that I cannot verify my business on the Google Business account or my verification is under processing. So in order to try and solve this problem, let's open a new tab and search for Google Business Help Center. Doing so will lead you to the Google Business Profile Help section. When you click it, you'll be redirected to their page. Once you reach this, you can scroll down and visit the Contact Us section. And this will help you specify your problem to Google. Once you reach this side of the page, select the first option, then fill options and the blank forms with whatever information you have to offer. On the writing section, write, "I'm unable to verify my business account," and then press next. Again, in this section, there are multiple details available which will help you specify your issue. Here I've chosen "No way to verify is offered," after which you continue pressing next step until you reach the contact option and then select the email icon available. Scroll down and press the Get Help with Verification option, and when you reach this screen, press the Confirm button. Here you can select the Google business that you want to have verified, and then keep pressing Continue on the following prompts, and hopefully your Google business will finally be verified. So that's basically how you can verify Google Business Profile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.